The Chiefs are through to the Super Rugby semi-finals, and today they'll be joined by another 3 teams. And it starts here at Sky Stadium with the top-ranked Hurricanes against the Rebels from Melbourne. Wellington to make the throw, and there's been some pushing and shoving going on in the line-out, and the penalty goes against the Hurricanes.
Before he gets off the ground, interference on the ground.
So here's Gordon with this first penalty attempt of the afternoon, and he nails it with a very good kick. Walker Leaweri. Now Sangster. Goal line is right there. Another go. Numere! Not quite. Arm's gone out. Short pass. Tossi! And it took 25 minutes, but the Hurricanes have scored a try. Gordon goes short. Hurricanes weren't expecting it, and the Rebels have got a man right there. And it's a penalty.
Late to the contest, tackles man in the air.
From a handy position, Carter Gordon, yes, guides it through. Perenara again, now Barrett. Geordie Barrett goes hard at the line, slings it off to Josh Morby, and the try is scored. Right on half-time by Josh Morby.
Well, there's the counter-attack. Started off by Godfrey at the back, along with Rayasi and co.
Straight down the middle. Well, it's been a ding-dong battle in the first half, but the Hurricanes score late and lead at the break by 14 points to 6. Leaves it there for Perenara, away for Barrett. Good run by Barrett, got it away to Yossi, and Braden Yossi scores the try.
Our 2 significant line breaks, one just before half-time, and one now.
Cameron from a handy position. Perenara looked to the right, went to the left. Lakai turns it in for O'Moore. O'Moore! Boy, what a player he is! Looking to convert his 4th try, does so. Hurricanes hitting some rhythm now. O'Moore again. 10 metres away. Short pass. Flanders goes. And Flanders scores.
Oh, just power again. It really was.
15 minutes remaining. And the Rebels in possession. Nice pass away for Leota. Nice offload too. And here goes Lockie Anderson. What a good try. Scored by Lockie Anderson.
It really was. Really difficult for them to find the space, the Rebels, but when they did.
Now Gordon from the sideline. Oh, he's kicked really well tonight. Throws. No, he's thrown it too far. And the Rebels back in possession. Leota, beautiful offload. And here they come again. The inside pass. Dungunu. Can he link up? Gordon snaps it up, and he's going to do it again. Another try for Anderson. Oh, what a beauty.
What a beauty, all right. You will not see too many better so far this season. Lockie Anderson finishes it.
Here's Gordon again. And yes, another good kick. Back it goes for Judd. Flanders already picked up a try tonight. Now Judd. Short and stretching and scoring is Karifi.
Well, historically they do so.
Joey Wheeler just gave me a filthy look. In fact, he's standing over me. Good charge by Brad Shields. Naholo. Kini Naholo scores.
He's right to place it. He's initially short, but then has his one placement, which goes over the line. Tries to. Who's kicked it through? Yeah.
So there goes the siren. Let's see whether the Hurricanes want to make something of this final play or whether
They'll be done.
Brett Cameron's just going to bang it out, and that's it. Quarter-final one. Well, the Rebels, as a club, are done and dusted, but a brave final effort from them has fallen short.